So Alex, what will this call focus on? What are the focus areas?
So we've got three themes within the call, first of which is downhole power generation and storage. The second one is downhole isolation, water and gas shut-off, and downhole safety valves. And the third theme is reducing the cost of well entry.
So on the power generation theme, can you just talk us through what the challenge is there and what you're looking to overcome?
Yeah, so traditionally tools would either have power from surface in some way or rely on lithium batteries as a typical source of downhole power, and they are hazardous materials, dangerous goods, they're difficult to ship and transport and have a fairly limited lifespan. So battery powered tools can only be left in the well for a short period of time. So can we use the heat, the flow, the vibration that exists downhole to generate power locally and store it in some way to enable tools to be left in situ for long periods of time, potentially even the life of the well.
And Malcolm, downhole isolation I think was the second theme that you're focused on. Can you just talk us through the challenges that exist there?
Yeah, so there's two key areas for this. One is downhole in the reservoir level, whereas over the course of years the fluids that come from the well will change, so we may get gas ingress, we may get water ingress that inhibits the production of the oil, the more valuable commodity. So what we need is mechanisms that allow us to be able to very quickly intervene in a well and actually isolate those areas so we can actually get the production from the zone of the oil that we really want it from. And then the higher piece is downhole safety valves. We have mechanical barriers near surface that are an integrity aspect of the well design and give us that pressure isolation. And sometimes over time, again, they fail and the repair mechanisms and the capability currently is very limited, and therefore we have some of these wells shut in because of their loss of integrity. And if we can intervene and repair them with new techniques to repair the downhole safety valves or replace the downhole safety valves, that's a great opportunity.
And the third theme, Alex, is around reducing the overall cost of constructing and maintaining the well. What kind of ideas are you looking for in that area?
Well, traditional techniques are reliant on quite large crews, people, and equipment footprint is quite significant. So it could be very different novel technologies which potentially need little or no equipment and consequently fewer people to support, so it's more readily achievable to fit it on a platform which is often busy with other core activities or accessing an unmanned installation, for example.